Who do you call when the chips are down? When your back is against the wall? When there's no way out and the time is running out and you're headed for a fall. High in the sky, suddenly comes the hero. You can rely on him. Harold the helicopter fly to the sky, first to the rescue, so help be required. Harold the helicopter, brave is he, courage is my name. So look to the sky, so take your eyes. Look to the sky, so Harold will be there. He is a natural hero. He's guardian of the sky. And down through the years there are many tales of his courage in his sky. Out from the clouds, suddenly comes the hero. We recognize that sound. Harold the helicopter fly to the sky, first to the rescue, so help be required. Harold the helicopter, brave is he, courage is my name. So look to the sky, so take your eyes. Reach for the sky, so Harold will be there. Harold the helicopter, pride of the sky, first to the rescue, so help be required. Harold the helicopter, brave is he, courage is my name. So look to the sky, see how it fly. You carry on, Harold will be back. Harold will be back. Yeah.